Cause njengoba ubona kunama leaders afana no Julius Malema kanje alwisana against necall yama messes, a protector ama foreigners, efuna ukusave interest yama foreigners before interest yama South Africans eSouth Africa. Njengoba ubona kunama leaders afana ne ruling party kanye nawo wonke labantu abalapha kwi-GNU, labantu bafuna ukuwina ivote ngama illegal foreigners la ezweni. Bra, most content mawayibheka these days awusabona ama slay queens ku TikTok, asagijimisa abantu exactly yabo
bale manje ngabathi into nemashe ifika hit
kakhulu
yabona nje ama slay queen ayifuna kuyibo, and we understand it was the business imagine foreigners phela ama slay queen like slay queens, they really don't want imagine
lento yokuthi abahambe bonke nge-30 June. It's not like more understanding the active revolution uzo understand ukuthi hayi ukuthi nge-30 June bonke bazobe sebehambile, no, but from 30 June kuyale phambili ugovernment kanye nawo ama illegal foreigners ezweni kumele bebe aware ukuthi ama citizens awekho happy at all nge-existence ama illegal foreigners, to a point that lento ekhulunywa upresident ukuthi asikho allowed ukwenza citizens arrest umbhedo leyo ayikwazi ukuthi into i-written down kwi-constitution.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by it on Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. This is a road to 200,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, please like, and share the episode. Thank you so much to those who liking the episode, not skipping the ads. Hey, look, we highly appreciate it. Sometimes I don't it. Yeah, James is on editing. Ganda is here with me today, and Nkomonde is here with me today. We're gonna break it down. So yeah, it's that time of we talk about things outside religion. Like we talk about things that are affecting people, like normal citizens that are not Christian, just normal people, I think. Yes, Kanda?
Yeah. Speaking Mr. Nkomonde. The thing in the field.
Yeah. Ubuya kwi night shift. Umbona nje ubuya kwi night shift ukhathela uyafa.
Lutho. Ngiyindoda esasenama social mzimba aphilayo.
I was on today when I wake up, I was on call. Actually, I'm from Paul Petersburg, which is 03034. That's town in Dumbe. So today I got a call in the morning. People are frustrated. They like this place that I'm from is when you look close, is built on blood and is run by killers. The Maspala is just a small house that is full of corruption and killers. To run that town, there's farmers who kill black people, and they hide themselves by farming milli, and they don't get arrested in this town because they're white. They are color. In Port Petersburg, they respect white people. They don't talk with them if go. They take it off. I was just taken away by that. I was like, why? So the police, they scared even to arrest these white people because they treat white people like they are gods. They know we won't put handcuffs to this color. I'm like, this is a problem. The Maspada will be run by people who kill better than others. So it's like, if you want a tender, maybe you have to prove that how many people you killed in the area. Why should you? It's not the document. It's about blood. Like, give us blood.
Then it's a mafia state.
Yeah. It's a mafia, like, but it's protect. You won't see it when you're inside. You have to just to be outside, then you will see these people like they killing each other. The Masipala is run by evil people. Like a normal person who's not doing crime in Dumbe won't get nothing, will die like that. You have to prove that it's either you're from the family that kills people or you yourself, you are a killer. I can prove it. All the tenders that people wrote tenders and everything, this town is killers who do the road. So it's very sad. I was like thinking, there's a guy that they found in the mountain is killed and and police are not arresting the killer, but they know the killer. They just chilling. Like these people, bro, I had this. I'm like, what kind of people are these? And the youth is scared because when you talk, they will kill you. These are people that are like, I was thinking Madlanga commissioner, if can take that Masipala, if you can take that Masipala to a Madlanga commissioner, it would be like a very interesting like episode because they would be quiet. For the evil that they done for that town, they would be quiet.
I think what I've noticed is it's happening endaweni
Nationwide.
national ne kuma rural areas or semi rural la vele impucuko ingakabi khona. They take advantage of that. Besikhuluma ngalento amabhaterikani. Why kungena manzi right endlini nani why abantu kwamele bazi baye emathepini 2026 kusayiyo emathepini kuyokhiwa amanzi nani mele kuze ama water tank azodeliver amanzi dliwa imali extortion ama politicians yiwa extort imali bantwini.
These people, bro, are evil. And in that
ngathi yenzeka kakhulu
lengapha. That's why I'm saying because like you need to be really outside of it. Like how these things are happening because they make sure a mayor, I don't know the mayor said Dumbe much, but they make sure they go, maybe they look someone that is outside that didn't grow up in Dumbe, so you'd abuse these people that are from Port Petersburg. This town is run by people that they don't know. They like, oh, he's a mayor. Oh, okay. Then this mayor, because he's not connected to Dumbe, he won't feel their pain. All I'm saying, bro, is like, on 4 November, they're going to vote. To the youth that said Dumbe. They're not working, bro. Same people that I left them when I was done with school there, they're still in the corner, they are not working. Same corner. They treat you like God because when you're from Joburg, you were like, but I'm like, you should be working too. There's no opportunities if you're not from the killer's families.
Ngicela ukungena kancane lapho mfethu. I think ngiyarelate a bit nalento ishoyo because mawuye esayidini likababa kimi ekhaya ise Piet Retief.
You next to
iDumbe ne Piet Retief, I think it's 100 kilometers away.
Yeah, it's 100.
I understand. Uma wasi KZN, baba waseMpumalanga, yabo le nto leyo. So mangise sayidini lo baba ngisuke ngise Piet Retief ne nendawo ekuthiwa isema village. Yabo. Lento ishoyo eyenzeke eDumbe, I think it's the same thing eyenzeke Piet Retief. Bathi semkhondo.
Oh yeah. Nathi ngase sibizwa ngemkhondo.
Bathi semkhondo Piet Retief. Bakhona labantu abayikhathele okuyibona kwaziwayo ukuthi kwi-political chain ibona abaphethe ePiet Retief. Yabo le nto le. So njengoba ilento nationwide bra nomasipala waseMnambithi la ngiphuma khona la ngikhulele khona usemanzini amnyama sikhuluma yabo abantu kumele ba-account yabo SIU ayidlali bra ifikile yabo into engingayisho ukuthi mina kulabantu abafana naku Paul Petersburg nakubo Piet Retief nakwezinye nje indawo nakubo Mnambithi ayikho into ezoshintsha masizoloku esiphilele ovalweni siloku esisaba. Yabona mfethu izwe linje namhlanje kungenxa yokusaba. Laba babephambi kwethu babesaba. Besaba ukuthi bazolahlekelwa impilo zabo, besaba ukuthi bazolahlekelwa imisebenzi, besaba ukuthi bazolahlekelwa ama-assets. And let me tell you something. Majority abantu ababesaba ukulahlekelwa lezo zinto sezabalahlekela, abaningi sihamba phezu kwabo today. And ukusaba kwabo azange kusave lutho bra. Yabo? Wonke umuntu ulalele le episode njengamanje into ekumele understand ukuthi i-revolution ayikho kuphela la eSouth Africa. Yebo ngabe kulesikhathi samanje ingabe iqalwe yithini la eSouth Africa njengoba isi-globally. Siyabona ukuthi globally kuyamashwa manje. Hambe e-UK kunama-march ama-illegal foreigners. Africa yonke nayo nakumanye amaphathi omhlaba. Yabo leyo nto le. There's a revolution that's taking place, bro. I understand. And okubuhlungu ngale revolution eyenzeka manje akusile revolution ezoba ngazathi umlilo wamaphepha kube ngazathi into yesikhashana bese iyaphela. Siphila kwisikhathi se-social media manje. Akukho ukuthi uzonarrate propaganda mhlambe as njengoba besiphila before i-internet, the time kusasa abantu i-media isaphethwe abantu abamhlophe. Yabona manje sasezandleni zabantu abamhlophe ngiyavuma, but akusafani na before. Uyakwazi ukuyitholela information first hand via bona TikTok, via wona wonke lama app akhona. Yabo leyo nto le. So le revolution ekhona nje manje akusiyinto ukumlilo wamaphepha lo. And into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi kubantu abaphethe izwe ndoda mele be-understand ukuthi kubantu abaphethe izwe kumele be-understand ukuthi isikhathi sokusikhohlisa ne ayisiphelile manje mfethu. Isikhathi sokusitshela izinto ngoba ufuna ukuthenga ubuso bethu siphelile manje. Labantu abazizwa ngazathi abana ma-voice endaweni eningi esingayibalanga la ekhona eSouth Africa, laba bacindezelwa abaphathi babo kanje. Njengoba sizovota ngomhla ka-4 November. Benginxusa mina wonke umuntu okhona o-eligible for ukuvota eSouth Africa ukuthi akuregistele ukuvota. Siyeke lento yokuthi anginayo interest yama-politics. Leyo nto umbhedo bra. Because whether ukhona or awukho kwi-interest yama-politics, ama-politics acontrol impilo yakho on a daily basis. Wonke umuntu kumele aregistele ukuvota and sivotele ushintsho. Siyeke lento yethu yokuba loyal to ama-leaders. Sibe loyal to i-cause. You understand? Kusasenjalo futhi nasekuvoteni kwethu bengifisa ukuthi makuvotwa wonke ama-South Africans elithatha serious leli lungelo lokuvota sivota. Kuma-voting stations kuqinisekiswe ukuthi awekho ama-foreigners, whether legal or illegal. Awekho ama-foreigners azocasta amavote lapho. Because njengoba ubona kunama-leaders afana no-Julius Malema kanje alwisana against ne-call yama-masses, e-protector ama-foreigners, efuna ukusave i-interest yama-foreigners before i-interest yama-South Africans eSouth Africa. Njengoba ubona kunama-leaders afana ne-ruling party kanye nawo wonke labantu abalapha kwi-GNU. Labantu bafuna ukuwina ivoti ngama-illegal foreigners la ezweni.
And they're not going to vote for them.
No, okubuhlungu yiloko mfethu. Ama-South Africans ingawo ngithi mina kumele silithathe serious leli lungelo elafelwa obabamkhulu. Phela ukuze mfethu sibe nelungelo lokuvota kwafa abantu ndoda. Sikukhumbule lokho. Kwahamba imphefumulo for centuries and centuries or for decades and decades before sizoba naleli lungelo. So njengoba sesinaleli lungelo Chris, most yethu sikhule singalithathi serious ngenxa yokuthi besibona ukuthi vele service delivery ayikho. Uyabo? Sesikhulile sibadala manje. And siyabona ukuthi labantu sibathembe ngokuthi basirepresent as a nation kule ndawo bayahluleka, basave interest yabo. kumele senze sure ukuthi sonke siyaregister ukuvota, silithatha serious leli lungelo. Kuma voting stations senza sure ukuthi akunamuntu oyi-foreigner ozovota lapho.
Why do you think people they are still voting for EFF?
I don't think khona umuntu ophila kahle ekhanda wala eSouth Africa osasupporta noma osalandelela i-EFF. Mina I think abantu abasalandelela i-EFF mostly ama illegal foreigners aqokiswa ama-regal e-EFF. Cause bengibuka lento ebiyilapha e-Union Buildings nge-16 June. Mawubuka i-skin color salama video abantu abavela kulama video le-rally ebilapha. Hakusema South Africans lawan most yawo. Kuthathwa
Amafuthini ngama celebrate that were hired ukuthi awonandisa kulo mcimbi. Are they that desperate? Don't you think they just really think like EFFs?
okubhlungu ngama celebrity ne kunento abangayinakile njengamanje. Njengoba be silent towards ikhalo zesizwe bengavili ndawo, and njengoba bekwazi ukuvela bezo collect icheck kuzinto ezifana namaralo EFF. Into engifuna ukubatshela yona bonke abantu abama celebrity baku entertainment industry ukuthi angeke sisikhohlwe lesikhathi esidlula kusona as a nation. Singama citizen ale country.
We'll never forget.
And angeke kuhlezi kuphethe labantu abaphethe lapha esibabiza ngama politician asithi baphethizwe. Zizoshintsha izinto ngelinye ilanga.
I think most,
and siyobakhumbuza Chris ne.
I think most like 80% of celebrities they really the part of the cartels. They benefit
By
from
party
the
money laundering, by party drug industry, drug trade, you understand. By part yokudlulisa this illicit alcohol ekhona. By part yazo zonke izinto ezisibulalayo and baya benefit bona, yabo. Into engishoyo mina kuma celebrities, whether ama actors, ama artists, whatever kind of umuntu oyiselebo osemahlweni abantu njengamanje. Angeke sikhohlwe le period esidlula kuyona as ama messes ase South Africa. Ama messes akulelizwe kumele ayiboycott izinto ezifana nama concerts, izinto ezifana nama gig, izinto ezifana nani ezenziwa yilama celebrities bro.
Because bro, you can't say tell me ubusy nge-album in studio at this time bro.
And awukhulumi lutho ngezwe.
Awukhulumi lutho ngezwe you busy wena kumele silale album yakho.
Ndoda sina sakhula mfethu kuno Yvonne Chaka Chaka, kuno Brenda Fassie, kuno Miriam Makeba, kuno Busi Mhlongo, kunabantu abaningi ababekhanda music Mamuleta Mbula ababekhanda music ngestruggle sase South Africa. Okwakuyibona babelungisa narrative noma propaganda eyayisethwa ngenation yethu kwi global community. You understand? Today sibizwa sipendwe kwathiwa xenophobic, sekuthiwa afrophobic manje as a nation, right? Abekho abantu abakhipha ama hit songs attestayo lokho apixala naloko ukuthi
no government.
Abekho abantu abafana no Tupac Shakur, abekho abantu abafana ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ngoba ubhuti you can only do so much as umuntu mfethu. Abekho abantu abafana no Zola 7. Uzola at his prime bro why challenge i-system bro through music, through ama interviews, through zonke lezi. Namhlanje awutholi ama artists are politically enlightened. You understand?
They don't care bro. And the worst part ukuthi izinto zomasayibheda abantu kumele ba donate. And donate bona thina ama fans yitho kumele futhi be donatelwa abanikwe inangizana imali, abanye bashone kumele bangcwatshwe abanayo like i-community esukuma phansi abantu South African people labo thwena ma at your prime right now they are talking when it doesn't affect you bakunika imali ama cartel then uhleli esentini uphuze champagne uyabuka thina siyahlala.
And ukuzwisa ubhlungu mawusubuka izitori efana nezitori zo DJ Somebody aka like the rest laba babulawe la sithi ama high profile cases. I understand kuzwisa ubhlungu masesizwe into efana nalezi. Ayekho umuntu odeserve ukufa futhi afe ngesihluku bra. But iqiniso sekuthenini mfethu labafowethu ba involved kuma shady businesses. I understand le nto le kuma human trafficking yabathola, drug trafficking yabathola, money laundering yabathola, and bona bacabangela imanje, abacabangeli kusasa.
True.
Yayibona leyo nto le. Bafethu enye into engidinga ukuthi sicacise kule converse nayo ukuthi le mpi esiyilwayo, ngiya understand ukuthi ama South Africans ahlukene kabili phakathi, ne?
No, they divided into two. There's a gated community. Laba bahlala kule ndawo evaliwe. Then there's us. These people who are in a gated community, they don't understand our pain, but they act like they us. They act like they understand our pain. They don't. And they want to have an opinion to our lives. They don't understand. They have to close their gate and stay there to their gated community. We hear this thing affecting us as we live in Soweto. We know ukuthi this thing yama illegally foreigners tina is affects Hanjan. So when these people who are in gated community, it's okay. The only people who are supposed to be quiet during this thing is them and keep opening the gate. They must not open their mind and come and have the take on this. They just sit down with their kids, take their kids, take them to private schools, and they go and they take them back. Just do like that. These gated people, bro, these people who are living in the gated communities, they hate themselves when they look at the mirror and they find themselves that they are black. They hate it, some of them. When they wake up in the mirror and they watch themselves, like, oh, I'm still black. They hate it, bro. They want to be white. And they think they're white. In their mind, they are done, they white.
Yazi babizwa ngani? Xosa ukunqamula mntimande. Babizwa ngokuthiwa ama-house niggers.
Yeah.
Kunento ekuthiwa i-house nigger ne-field nigger, ne? I-house nigger, bra, ilo muntu lo worshipper i-master more than i-master yona the way he's worshipper ngakhona.
True.
I understand. Ilo muntu ezothi i-master mayithi ngilahlekelwe imfuyo, kube uyena ozwe inhliziyo ebuhlungu kuqala. I understand. I-field nigger ilo muntu lo ongenandaba noma i-master iyagula noma iyafa lapha, ngoba le mpilo ayiphiliswa yile master akuyona impilo ekumele ngabe uyayiphila. You understand? So laba ama-house niggers, bra, ilabantu abacollecta ama-crumbs. You understand?
Yeah.
Baphila ngama-crumbs and bukeke ngazathi bangcono than the rest of us, kanti cha, ba-one salary away from ukufana nathi. You understand? Most of labantu abakhuluma ba-acting ngazathi abayiboni lento esiyikhalelayo. Ngikhuluma ngalaba abakuthiwa bayi-middle class. Nithini middle class, right?
I don't know, bro.
Actually, i-middle class eSouth Africa isekho.
That's what I was wondering.
Because mawuzothi working class i-middle class, ngizokutshela straight ukuthi unamanga. I-working class eSouth Africa isi-middle class. I-working class eSouth Africa for the most part abantu abahluphekayo. Siyahlupheka. I understand le nto le.
Yeah.
Le kuthiwa i-middle class yilabo abantu abaphila ngokugebenga bekucashisa ngomsebenzi wabo abanye nangama-job titles abanawo. I understand.
Politician.
Exactly. Abantu ilabantu laba ba-benefita from ukuganga. Yayibona leyo nto le, then baphila kangconywana. It's like in fact ayikho i-middle class eSouth Africa.
No, there is no.
Ayikho, bra wami.
But in Komonde, now umbuzo for both of you. You said earlier ukuthi this is a revolution. Do you think ukuthi sizoyinqoba lento lena singekho sober? Especially ngikhulumela i-youth. Ukuthi I feel like asikho sober as a youth. Maybe that's why kunale division futhi. Yes, Chris mentioned kuma gated communities division, but amongst ourselves in the field, there's also a division. And it division kanjani? Khona basoba, khona badakiwe.
Exactly.
Uyabona?
Exactly.
And singenza umzekelo. Zezi-30 June. How into abangayenza ukuyiphazamisa lento. Ngayenza ama concert. Yes. Ngayenza ama gig vele ziwe baba. People who are meant to maybe go and march whatever. Like kube ne event enkulu nje.
No, kanda ngiyakuzwa ukuthi that's a reason why we have to call these things out before i-30 June ifike.
Yeah, umbuzo wami ukuthi like how do we
mobilize
how do we tell or duty youth gents asimeni kancane ngezinto eziningi asimeni kancane umjive asimeni kancane utshwala asimeni kancane
Yeah.
asibhekeni nalento how do we do that
That's Ganda mina one thing engizokutshela yona. At some point, kumele sishayele izandla as a youth. Bro, we trying. We are from worse. Besinganakile besilele like izwe cishe lahamba dog. Besilele lokho kokulala lokho kwempela. Thina besebuthongweni yabo manje. Sibeka inyawo phansi siyaphuma embedeni. So right now it is only fair ukuthi let's prepare abantu because they are from bed. It's not going to be easy. I don't want to lie. I hear your point, but it's not going to be easy. But we have to. It's us who are sober. We have to keep on beating their head. They wake up. Because if we don't do much, laba sober they have to fight more because we have the one that are not sober. I think that's the only way.
And enye into fethu engenza ngibe nethemba lokuthi in due time Ganda abantu bazophaphama ngokwanele. Yabona mawubheka kuma social media these days ama South Africans abantu abancane kunami noma abangangami noma abadala emfethu abantu bakhuluma ngendlela izwe labo befisa ukuthi libe ngakhona nangendlela most content mangayibheka these days awusabona ama slay queens ku TikTok asagijimisa abantu
Qale manje ngabathi into ne match if they hit
kakhulu
yabona ama slay queen ayifuna kuyibo and we understand it was the business imagine much foreigners phela ama slay queen like slay queens they really don't want imagine much like they hate to uyabona ujustice nophakela umthakathi ngiyabona ithombe zawo bayibeke lapha bamkhafulela every morning.
No into engizama kuyisho ukuthi ngifuna sibe nento yokuthi ishangazi ngibeke kanjani lento le kuyomele mangithi abantu badakiwe angikhulumi ngabantu like literal
ngiyakubamba
siyakubamba
angikhulumi literal
angicima the phone.
So what I'm trying to say is kuyomele sibe nendlela man angazi ngibeke kanjani lento le ufuna like I still feel ukuthi abantu who are part of March and March or people who are against this thing esibhekane na basase bancane ane you mentioned indaba yokuvota youth ayifuni ukuvota youth yamanje bafuna ukuzibona ba ama celebrity bafuna ukDJ I'm not saying wrong DJ they want to be artists bafuna ukucula like ngathi yes the generation woke but I feel like we don't have ngizibeka kanjani ama philosopher if ngayibeka kanjani ama philosopher or dala bisithi abantu abawise abantu abakwazi like youth yethu mfethu ngathi
is awake but they don't have a direction.
Ngathi ngathi sine direction
yonke lento eyenziwe ngamabomu ngihlezi ngisha lento yabo njengoba esho Chris ethi manje Ganda kungcono ngoba sesilasi khona and sibuya from into ewest yabona bro yonke lento yaphekwa ngamabomu from labo president abadlule ngihlezi ngisho lento ukuthi kwabulawa ipolitical consciousness yesizwe kwabulawa economic consciousness yesizwe because angeke ungitshele ukuthi as ama South Africans esibali asikho aware ukuthi ama spaza shops nama liquor stores lawa semalokishini it's a $1 billion industry. We are aware of such, right? But I futhi ukuthi asikho capable of ukurana lezi zinto. Sithina esikhule before kufika amazayizayi kwi country. Like fethu ama retailer sekasa be performa kahle. Yezwa bekuna ama supermarket abazali abakoleda kuona mabazi ukuthi endlini akunakudla kubhalwa phansi ngenyanga mayiphela kuyokhokho ya understand le nto le but ukufika kwalabantu bafike babulala yonke leyo nto leyo ya understand and on top of lapho bra bazidlisa izinto ezisibulalayo ke manje basiphuzisa izinto ezisibulalayo kumanje bra kwi country bathi utshwala njengoba ngimile nje utshwala mina ngime completely bra etshwaleni because bathi apparently it's around 4 billion rands utshwala mabe estimate utshwala obukuma shelves eSouth Africa obu illicit counterfeit. You understand, bro? So yabo kahle kahle siphuza ukufa these days. Ngapha mawuthi uyabheka kunamavideo amaningi bengiwabona insuku mfethu trendayo abantu bavula amaphakethe ama chips aphuma namaphilisi phakathi. You understand? Bro sidlisi wonke umuntu ozobuka le episode ngicela ningathengi kubantu bokufika bro. Asivalwe zonke izitoro zalabantu. Lento le mfethu ithi ngikonyuluke straight la. Kahle kahle lento akusi illegal immigration. Lento le it's a South African invasion by failed African countries. You understand? Bra lento propaganda. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Awukwazi ukuthi iSouth Africa bra ingaba i-dumping site yawo wonke ama-failures akulama state ala e-Africa bra.
Nanokuthi bra abanye uma behamba kuthiwa ahambile kaMaganyeni out-300 imiphi imisebenzi evulekile.
Ukuba short minded.
Into ade ngisho
Ukuba short minded. Ukuba low minded bra.
Like
Ukuba ngicela ukusho lento.
Yabona I think manje mayothenga smartphone you have to kumele kube ne-test oyenzayo.
Yeah.
I'm telling
exactly.
you need the test.
Yeah, ukuze sikwazi ukucontrol.
Yabona nje kophephu. Yabona nje manje kophephu nakuphi yabadayisa khona ama phone guns. Before you but it test before.
Kumele kube nama micro what.
Yeah, before you take a smartphone.
Biometric what mfethu kwazi ukuthi mawala siyakwazi ukuread ukuthi wala kufanele sikudayisele ifone.
Yeah, na beside nanokuthi esikoleni because we can't give up open minded ucabanga kanjani because umuntu ozothi amaganyeni awu-300 niyasebenza it shows ukuthi esikoleni kusho ukuthi ingqondo ifishana ngani benganikwa kamafoni lawo bantu angasi-own smartphone abe nesitifiketi esimbhenayo ukuthi wena watholakala uphethe i-smartphone watholakala uphethe i-smartphone 3 years.
Yeah, true. Yazi mfethu enye into ne ekumele nje sibe honest ngayo bafethu singayilwisa yonke into esifisa ukuyilwisa ne but iqiniso sekuthenini mina if it was up to me bengizothi mina kumele kudisbandinwe kwalento ekuthiwa ugovernment wethu kuqalwe kabusha.
Exactly.
Disbandinwe nje yonke lento lapha eParliament and abantu balama political parties abebeloke bephethe all these years mase bethi bafuna ukungena kulama political parties azobe rana ngaleso sikhathi sikwazi ukuba sport ukuthi wena siyakwazi ukuthi uke wasebenza em political party eso and you failed as a leader. Sicela usimele kancane sinikeza abantu abangakazi baba kule ndawo. You understand leyo nto le because bra yabona masingaqala singaphikisana kuze kusemnyango bra makungaqala ukudisbandine lento ekuthiwa ugovernment nalento ye-GNU sibonile ukuthi wonke lama political parties akade opposition kade lwela ukungena lapha kwibhatha ne mase kwibhatha asevali izandla yabo leyo nto le wayigcina nini iDA bangumsindo. Wayigcina nini?
They are getting exactly what they like.
The most umuntu disappointed kakhulu uGating.
uGating
Disappointed na umuntu. Ayebona iDA vele siyazi
ukuthi money yabona ithi Bible the root the money is the love of money is the root of all evil. When you give a man money it become a man can become a woman.
Ithi uyebeka emabhodini lapha kuma border. Apost ama video kuma border athi abahamba aperforma lapha.
But there's something and I understand James. Kumele sifunde ukuhlukanisa between imali nepower. Imali ngiyakuzwa mawuthi the root of
the love of money.
Yeah, ukuthanda imali is the root of all evil. Ngiyakuzwa lokho. But yabona ipower ne labafethu abalaphana ukhumbule. Imali yonke nayo imali ekhona ongayicabanga banayo. Abanandaba kakhulu nemali manje. Into abanendaba nayo power
is money losing value.
Exactly. Yayibona leyo nto le
ufuna ipower.
Yayizwa leyo nto le. So at this point asikhulumi ngabantu mhlambe abazochomela ngokuthi ngistasha u10 million endlini sikhuluma ngabantu abachomela ngokuthi ngine power and uke wayisho leyo nto lemjito okhuluma ngayo
ufuna ipower
leyo nto le. So at this level akusasi indaba yemali sekuyindaba yepower yabo thina as ama citizens masingakwazi ukubulala le power labafethu abayitshela banayo. You understand? Phela prawami ipower kahle kahle ecountryini ama masses thina. You understand? Mina into bengifisa ukuthi March and March ingabi political party.
True.
Ngilalela ukuthi ngiyaphi nalento. Ingabi political party iqhubeke ibe civil rights movement, ne? Then if ama citizen a country feel ukuthi abantu kuyibona abangabamela as ama leaders e country, ama leaders e March and March, kube ikhole ephuma kuma citizen e country ukuthi siphakamisa wena nawe and sifisa ukuthi nisenzele okuyikona. Yeah, understand?
Nanokuthi wena nkomele sekumele manje ukuthi okay sicela nisenzele ukuthi sicela nibuye ne reporting ngesikhathi esuku. Yabona manje doc ukuthuma abantu sekusebenza kanjalo. Hayi ukuthi ufaka umuntu nje kuyipha ukuthi hayi sisihole sithi emfethu weGanda siyakufaka la kuyipha uzoba ikhansela sedosini right. Sifuna silungisele ukuthi nokuthi sicela ukuthi ngoba sikufaka ku-April ngoDecember mfethu ngeyi6 sicela ukuba ne-meeting nawe usitshele ukuthi wenzeni. If Ganda sign up phansi if ungakenzanga lezi zinto lezi bekhona okukodwa okwenzile mfethu move is cooking and I lose angithi sikhuluma manje. Yeah,
accountability.
Yes,
yeah, understand. Ukhumbule phela after 1994 akaze kwenzeka eSouth Africa ukuthi government akholwe for accountability the way wenzeka khona.
Yeah,
the way wenzeka ngakhona manje, yabo. So ibathusile lento bebetshela ukuthi silele, yabo leyo nto le, and iyabathusa nalento yokuthi maningi ama South Africans actually aphaphe mayibona into eyenzakalayo. So into engifuna ukisho yile mfethu, bengisakhuluma indaba ukuthi there's this mass genocide ne that's brewing ne eqhamuka from ama retailers ama foreigners. Ukudla okuphuma kubantu bangaphandle abantu futhi abangakuthengi. Utshwala abantu yazi ubani bengikwazi ukuzenzela bengayi ngithi asike sibambe upause kwealcohol as a country. I understand.
Ngifuna ukuyiphusha leyo guys.
Sibambe nje upause mfethu kwazi ukuthi yazini bafethu.
Akuzilwe.
Asike sizilene etshwaleni. Yabo leyo nto le sizama ukulwela izwe lethu.
Kunzima khona kodwa nje uyabona from addiction now awuyibisa ayiphumi.
Yeah, understand.
No, hey phela awuve ayiphumi. Hey wena yazi. Wena bheka.
Yabo. And enye into mfethu
sizileni until hey
uhlekani ukuthi akaphuze nje uthi kunzima. Uhlekani
uyabheda
uhlekani
ya ukhuluma uhleli nezingane sikhuluma into ezivalekile ehleli nezingane siphawula into ezibhedayo
but kona serious note bafethu kwi country siyadinga ukubamba
yabona from manje until kuze ekudlule into sophuza after isa celebrate into esiyibona siyenzile
and abantu into ekumele be understand Chris njengoba sifacane ne-30 June njengoba manje I think ikusele about 13 days or 12 days ukuthi sifike kwi-30 June. Lento yokuthi abahambe bonke nge-30 June, it's not like more understanding into ekuthiwa i-revolution uzo understand ukuthi hayi ukuthi nge-30 June bonke bazobe sebehambile. No. But from i-30 June kuyale phambili. U-government kanye nawo ama-illegal foreigners ezweni kumele bebe aware ukuthi ama-citizens awekho happy at all nge-existence ama-illegal foreigners. To a point that lento ekhulunywa upresident ukuthi asikho allowed ukwenza citizens arrest umbhedo leyo. Ayikwazi ukuthi into i-written down kwi-constitution bese wena uvuka kusasa ngoba upresident uzositshela ukuthi akwenziwa. Into mina engishoyo i-30 June azisho ukuthi kuyobe sekuphume wonke umuntu la, yabo? But kuyobe kuyisiqalo esishoyo ukuthi labafethu kumele bazi ukuthi asibafuni etradini ezama street vendors, asibafuni etoro ezama shop owners, asafuni ayikho into yabo esisayifuna. And nalabo abahlala khona kumele bazi ukuthi abekho welcomed. Umuntu olwisa lezi zinto lezi thina esiyilwisa nje manje ngicela ukuyi-highlighta lento. Umuntu othi si wrong kulento esiyilwisayo as a nation akekho aware ukuthi number 1 i-ruling party since from 1994 32 years ago i-ruling party i-infrastructure yayithola from i-apartheid government i-civilization eyayithola from i-apartheid government ayikho into abayenzile in the past 32 years ukuthi bayi-upgrade noma bayi-enlarge ya understand lezi zinto zazakhelwe for a certain number yabantu ya understand and zaziseva kakhulu a certain percentage yabantu abathile yabo thina as ama South Africans lezi zinto lezi bezingasilingana sisebenzise kahle kumele ngaba sinayo inkinga kagesi as a country kumele ngaba sinayo inkinga yokushodelwa amanzi as a country ya understand le nto le but sithola sinazi inkinga zelezo zinto ngoba kunendawo eziningi bra wami kuxhunywa ugesi ngendlela ekungamele ngabe baxhunywe ngayo yayizwa le nto le kwakhandwa indawo bekungamele exist eziphila ama-illegal foreigners ya understand kutrapwe iy'ntambo zogesi silahlekelwa ama-copper mihla namalanga silahlekelwa ama-cable ogesi mihla namalanga yiwo ama-illegal foreigners njalo ya understand bra lento le yamashop abantu abaningi bengayithatha kancane in the near future ne sizogcina siphethwe yiwo ama-foreigners bro kulelizwe because mawungathi uyabheka already asekhona eParliament i-EFF futhi silethela in bulk ya understand le nto
le ntombazane le ubani konje ubani unalethi
ya understand le nto le lelaqhakuvana leli
yazi umalimi yazi impela into ayenzayo
umalima yabona mele iphele nalento kubizwa ukuthi water out of the soil
akusisana of the soil
yeah mele iphele because he's against
akusisana ngisho
is
kudala
against the soil
thatha wonke ama-feces wabiza ama-son of the soil sangano
iphele lento leyo ukuthi is the son of the soil
understand
whatever
so uthatha ama-foreigners wafaka eParliament and kunabantu abaningi bra abafunda o-political science abanye bama-lawyers by profession kunabantu abaningi abama-academics la eSouth Africa abama-citizens ala ekhaya who are fit enough and who are patriotic enough ukuthi bengangena lapha eParliament benze ushintsho uyabo but uthatha ama-foreigners lawa uthatha iy'ngane ezi-privileged iy'ngane zothambo uzoyisondeza eduze kwakho uke wakuzwa lo mfana kaThambo ekhuluma ngale nto yama-immigrants
naye lo
khuluma isiyezi nje mfethu yazwe
phela akusho
le gang privileged bra mina iyangixaka bra I understand but labantu aba-privileged ne it's like thina laba esikhala ngalezi iy'nkinga siyahlanya
we'll never
Yabo.
connect with them
yabo and mfethu ithi yonke le corruption isuke ne baphile ngendlela ekumele bephile ngayo yezwa
don't understand
but they will understand
lo mfana lo is related to our Tambo
obvious
hey lo mfana ujana msho omkhulu wakhe rubaba wakhe la khona
angazi yini yakhe but angithenye
if ubaba wakhe be musician doesn't mean ukuthi uzokwazi ukucula
ngayisho lento kwenye episode la ngathi kuthathwe izingane zosibanibani kwathathwa ama-sex partner osibanibani kwathathwa abangani bosibanibani babekwa kuma-position okulead izwe ya understand njengoba usho bra ukuthi babakho beyi-soccer star akusho ukuthi nawo uzoba yi-soccer star yabona nto ukuthi babakho beyi-artist akusho ukuthi nawo uzoba yi-artist yabona le nto le so kuthathwe uzosatshiswe ngalezo yibo ngokunye kwakachwethe kade ngikuzo nako lapha izingane zama-privilege zonke lezi ya understand iy'ngane zabantu futhi abalutha la ezweni because phela thina sasikhona uSteve Tshwete bekwi-cabinet mabefuna sikhulume sokhuluma nabo ukuthi oSteve Tshwete abazona lezi zinto abasipheyintela ukuthi bayizona yabona leyo nto le so kuthathwa iy'ngane zosibanibani nosibanibani ngoba kuhlonishwa imindeni ethile yabona leyo nto le ebra ngikutshela manje ne in 5 or 10 years to come izophela yonke le nyova dem yabona ekubusweni kwezwe in the near future kuzophatha abantu abadalelwe ukuba kula ama-position okuphathizwe and le revolution ngifuna ukuyisho lento ugovernment njengoba eloke ignorant towards izikhalo zabantu eloke downplay izikhalo zabantu and banendlela yokusiname bathi sama vigilante and mind you since iqalile imagine match bra makaze kwabulawa umuntu akaze kwavandalizwa store akaze kwenziwa lutho yayizwa le nto le wonke ama matches are peaceful but mawuthola abantu aba so called leaders abantu abanjengo Ronald Lamula bekhuluma bathi i-march and march ama-vigilante, igroup yama-vigilante. Kanti i-vigilantism yini? Kwizwe le-democracy mfethu, abantu uma be-exercise i-right yabo yokudemonstrate ukuthi sesanele ngento ekanje. U-government labo bantu uyayishintsha into uthi ama-vigilante. Mfethu, uma uyi-leader, umsebenzi wakho wokuqala ukulalela nokuseva i-interest yama-masses, not ukuthena against ama-masses, bra. Wonke umuntu omholi njengamanje.
Okay, sorry to disturb you, but these people, they are there not to serve us. They're saving their masters.
It's clear.
And it's clear.
And we know ukuthi the president is in Stellenbosch.
Awunothi nangu-oppose lento yaseparliament manje.
Uzothini?
The impeachment yaseparliament.
Uzothini weGandhi?
Oppose.
Angeka lungu. No, angeka lungu. Angeka lungu. Angeka lungu.
Hey, at least
He will be impeached, bra. Ethande engathandi, bra. Yabona manje ne, and whoever ababezama ukumbracketa all these years ne, nabo they will go down naye.
And bakhathele kuma
Enye into futhi ekumele ipreachwe ne, konke le political failure ebiloke yenzeka all these years. Yabona mhla kufika abantu ekumele baranele lizwe kula ama seats, each and every person wakaba iminister nowakaba cabinet ethile, bra, icala libola. I'm telling you ne, abantu basazo account, abantu basazoboshwa. Yayizwa leyo nto le. And mina ngiyafisa ukuthi in the near future abantu abayophatha lelizwe mhlambe makungathiwa siba no president, sibe no president mhlambe ola kuma early 50s or late 40s. Yeah, understand.
Yeah, consider boma.
Whether kungaba umuntu wesifazane or kungaba umuntu wesilisa, mina I wouldn't mind ukuthi ngimvotele umuntu njengo Jacinta personally. Ivote yami mina ngayikhipha ngimvotele uJacinta. Ngeke ngamind ukuthi South Africa ibe ne first female president ngoJacinta, bra. Yeah, understand. uJacinta is for the people, bra. Ayizwa le nto. Number 2, enye into engayinakile mfethu. Enye into engayinakile ngeke ngizwa abantu beloke bethi uphakela umthakathi bathini? Uya abathu vigilance abantu bangaphandle. That's Zulu leader. Lethi ngintshela. I wouldn't mind mina ukumvotela ukuphakela umthakathi ukuthi abe upresident. Yabona labantu bo2 ne mawubalalela kuma press conference nezinto abayikhulumayo, it's like yabo mawuza uJacinta ekhuluma noma uzuphakela umthakathi ekhuluma, it's like wena ubufuna ukukhuluma kodwa vele wakukhulumela the way bekumele ukukhuluma.
Sifuna abantu abanjani.
I understand le nto le. And into emnandi ngabo yazini hayi ukuthi mhlambe bagcina ngokukhuluma. Bakhona phansi mfethu baya demonstrate.
Lapha uJacinta akadinga ukuthi lento le kahle kahle im-affect. Masikhuluma iqiniso uJacinta uphila grand. uJacinta
na iphakela ndoda.
Na uphakele bonke
uphakela lemjita ugrand ndoda ukuthi abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi
ngisholo ukuthi abantu abalolisa like actually they can keep quiet bambe boyihlalela bengabi nandaba. Even nathi la kuma podcast singangakhulumi ngawo nathi sikhulumele ngezinye izinto sikhulume ngamacheri.
Exactly.
Uyangithola? But because sithanda izwe lethu kumele sikhulume
ngalezi zinto.
Sithanda izwe lethu. And now I'm gonna say this. I used to have friends about ANC comrades and the last national elections I told them ukuthi yabona it's a disgrace now ukuba ANC member nokugcoka nje iskipa se-ANC. For me it's a disgrace. These are my peers and I told them ukuthi bafethu, okay, I get it. Nani nifuna ichance yokudla lana. But asicabangele nabantwana bethu sibazele manje.
Wonke umuntu ongene yazwe eGandhi labantu ngoba bechorus. Bonke abantu abangene ku-ANC bangena bethi engisayodla sengithola ichance yokudla. Namanje basadla.
I have zero respect. Trust me.
I don't have respect for mina abantu. Bangibhora ngisho befika ekasi.
Abo mina here's my take kulento ne before mhlambe kuthiwa kwenzakala mhlambe siyavala. Bafowethu bengishilo lento ele on ngathi mina makungadisbandwa ugovernment ne. Yonke lento iqalwe kabusha phansi bro, yezwa. Kudisbandwe bathini lezi zinto lezi ama municipalities. Yeah, understand. Bra, bonke labantu abakwi leadership yama municipalities afailayo kukhishwe yonke into. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Bra, bakhona abantu abanjengoXolani Khumalo. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Abafunayo ukubona izwe lishintsha. Bakhona abantu abanjengami abafunayo ukubona izwe lishintsha. Bakhona abantu abanjengoPhakela, abantu baningi abanye abafowethu. Yabo engingababala manje kodwa patriotic enough ukuthi makungathiwa siyangena kulezi zinto kungamele sife kunokuthi izwe silibukele lihamba yabo leyo nto le. And kulabantu abebefakwa kumasipala noma kwi-national governance kube ne tradition ye accountability ndoda yayizwa leyo nto kuthiwa sikunikeza iperiod engaka mhlawumbe nawo ama funds sicela wenza into enje, even if ngathiwa sithola ukuthi udla 1 rand wala you will account for the 1 rand. Yeah, understand le nto le. So le nto le khona nje bra ngitshela bonke mina labantu abakwi cabinet akekho umuntu oclean lapha, akekho baluthe bonke bra. And fana nana nakulama opposition parties most labafethu ungabona engazathi bayolwelizwe lapha labantu laba bayela kuyoyiphoke kufaka imali emaphoketheni khona into ekuyashiwa uvuyo zungula lo we-ATM ne wathi uvuyo zungula into emcasulayo ngama politicians eParliament ukuthi mabe phambi kwecamera bekuma stand lapha eParliament bane character ethile abayiportrayayo ne. Immediately maye switcha off ama camera behlangana kuma corridors bayenye into opposite from lento oyibona lapha yana. I understand leyo nto le kahle leyo nto yakukhombisa ukuthi sizele ukuzolanda paychecks yaphuma
to portray this certain current
njengoba abanye babona befika begqoka umasebenza lapha kodwa excuse me immediately mabephuma kulabo masebenza kungena kuma Louis Vuitton kuma Gucci and stuff. So asimfuni thina umuntu ozoba two faced as a leader. Yeah, understand leyo nto le. Sifuna thina umuntu bra ozo practice into ayipreachayo and siyibone into ayenzayo ndoda. Emfethu azakudinga ukuthi kuthathe rocket science ukuthi siqede iunemployment kule country. Akudinga ukuthi kuthathe rocket science ukuthi si-improve ama entities are state owned njenge healthcare facility njengani futhi njenge sports. Uyanotice ukuthi sport siyafa kule country bra. Yeah, understand le nto le. Yenye yezinto futhi ezenza ukuthi abantu bengabi united leyo bra wami kwi country. Yayizwa le nto le. Izinto futhi ezifana no policing like efethu ngasho ngathi makungathi ugovernment uqinisa security ngokuthi aqashe abantu from 18 years and above abafake kuma security class ahlukene. Kube i-tradition le kungabe ukuthi kungena umntakabani kube into ukuthi ku-mandatory ukuthi abantu bangene lapho. Leyo nto iyobulala i-unemployment, iyobulala ubugebengu, iyobulala ilokhuzana, iyowehlisa izinga location transit heist and all those things because abantu be-accumulate i-income kwi-country. You understand? Yonke lento bra wami nifana nani nento yokufunda akumele ngabe education expensive kanje kwi-country egcwele abantu abangasebenzi abama natives. And enye into mfethu kunama illegal immigrants amaningi kuma government sectors bra and amanye aphethe ama position aserious
ndoda kwi call center kwiharambe kwi call center kusebenza ama foreign wafika la lo mfana ubani konje uWilliam ama foreign amhleke ezweni lakhe but ngeke sikusiza kwiharambe department ka government kwi call center yakhona ama foreign ahleke iSouth Africa nathi hayi ngeke sikusiza wonke umuntu wayithulela.
Yeah, understand. And kumele sithule isigoqe izandla so nje bra kuningi kufana nale khona ipetition esayinwayo njengamanje yokudisbandina
human rights
and ngiyayiseconda bra
phela Nkomonde yiphi ama rights abawamelayo awobani
awama foreigners nezitabane bra
because laba bantu labana kubabone yabo njengoba kunje ngeke ubone human rights ithi South African khona hlukumezeka ngoba kwenzeka kanje
funding bayithola kubo laba. So ama Somalian for instance or laba bantu aba ama spaza shop they fund them
ne
imali eyishisiwe so vele abakwazi ukuthula.
And enye into niphele nigadeke bafethu ne la ningixoleleke le ngizoyisho ne mhlambe nozolilalela lento ekhaya ngeke ayizwe kahle manje but makhamba isikhathi iyayenza isense. Yazi thina Chris sisebungozini bokufeyisana nento ekuthiwa i-civil war. Angazi noma uyayazi uthini. Sisengcupheni yokubhekana nento ekuthiwa i-civil war. And leyo civil war izobe sponsor ugovernment kanye nama illegal foreigners. Ama illegal foreigners sesitholile ukuthi afanda ama-political parties akule country. Ama-legal foreigners sesitholile ukuthi abribe abantu abakuma-high positions kuma-law enforcement kule country. You understand? Ama-illegal foreigners anama-armies wawo awakhanda la kwi-country yethu without us knowing. You understand? Banayo yonke iweapon ongayicabanga mfethu. Yonke nje into ethi artillery banayo. Njengamanje ngoba besabhekisa amakhanda phansi kanje ingoba bafunani bafuna ukuthi thina ama-South Africans kube yithina esiqala siphakamise isandla. Bese kuvezwa e-TV ukuthi ama-South Africans are-attack ama-illegal foreigners. Emva lapho iyasuka. Yabo? Brawam, labantu laba baxoshwayo abarana lama-syndicates, ama-shop nama-drugs, ama-billionaires lawo. And axoshwa abantu abama-centennials. Mabefuna ukuyisusa bengayisusa bra. Yabo? Thina sishoda ngomuntu obezoba uPaul Kagame we-country. Yamazi Paul Kagame ne president wase Rwanda. Besidinga i-leader efana noPaul Kagame kule country. Yabo njengamanje bakwi-World Cup kade wonke umuntu even ku-internet bebencoma amantombazana ase-Cape Verde bethi mahle ne. Nami ngiyakuvumela lokho mahle ne. Yazi why mahle amantombazana ase-Cape Verde? Ayikho i-ethnic cleansing e-Cape Verde. Abantu base-Cape Verde ama-natives njengoba wabona. Thina la njengamanje kulabantu abasibona si-wrong. Kule gang ephila comfortable kuma-gated estate. Kule gang enye into engifuna ukuyicacisa naye. Kule gang ezaliswe ama-illegal foreigners. Le efuna ukulwisana nathi ngokuthi sithi abahambe. Sicela ukunitshela lento le. Asizukulahlekelwa izwe lethu ngenxa yempene yakho thina. Mawukulowo muntu wakho umthanda ngaleyo ndlela, thatha lowo muntu wakho nomndeni wakho ukhande nani uhambe nelapho. Lo muntu aqhamuka khona. Asingalahlekelwa izwe ngoba wena unempene. Yabo? Phela khona lenkulumo ukuthi njengoba bezele benengane njengoba laba besuka khona njengoba beza la abashiyanga lutho nemuva. Ngoba kukhona bakushiya khona.
Anokuthi phela banqatshela ukuhamba. Abantu bengenze ngathi bakuthiwa banezingane akumelanga bahambe nazo.
Abahambe nazo. Abahambe nanabafazi babo.
Yeah, fair.
Osisibethu
umfazi kumele uyobona umama.
Umfazi kumele ayobona umamezala akhulisi ahlale emzini wakhe.
Lokho is a stable home.
Exactly.
Bengenze ngathi mhlawumbe leyo nto leyo mhlawumbe ekhona la iphazamisa indawo leyo. Ingane mabehamba nezingane zabo. Ingane gonna have a stable home, umama nobaba nomamezala basekhaya, family.
Exactly.
So bengenze ngathi ingane abahambe nazo. Solution bengayicinga ekudini ikhona la idini.
Phela ngendlela ebeka ngayo. If the father maybe is a foreigner, akathatha umfazi wakhe nengane.
Yes.
So what happens if the mother is the foreigner and the father is the South African?
Ubani is a foreigner.
Angithi this thing is short. If the father is a foreigner, akathathe umfazi wakhe nabantwana bahambe.
Yeah.
So what in the case ukuthi if the father is a South African and the mother is a
udakulethukelelo
foreigner,
sesisodila
leyo ngane
yana
uthi xoxele
lokho phela vela ngithi naye akahlali nezingane zakhe
ukwakhe lowo muntu.
No, ukwakhe lowo muntu.
Mfethu othi kutshele lento bengisakhuluma ngalento ekuthiwa i-ethnic cleansing. Reason why nibona iCape Verde kunconywa amantombazana khona and all that ingoba abantu bakhona abapromote ukuthi aba-abort and nobutabana promoter eCape Verde. You understand? Ngala kuthina eSouth Africa bra. Kunento ebiloke yenzeka for the past 32 years bra. Into ebizwa kuthiwa i-ethnic cleansing. Kupromotwa i-abortion, kupromote i-homosexuality, yezo lezo kupromotwa i-use of ama-drugs ne-alcohol ne. Ku-homosexuality na kwi-abortion leyo nto it's guaranteed ukuthi procreation ayikho. You understand? Kwi-drug abuse kanye na kwi-alcohol abuse leyo nto iqinisekisa ukuthi awabibikho ama-stable homes. You understand? Akukhuli ingane ezikhuliswa umama nobaba kulelo khaya abane well-being ephilayo. You understand? So thina la eSouth Africa sinikezwa wonke ama-reason and siwamela wonke ama-reason ukuthi sisebenzise lezi zinto. Yabo leyo nto le mawuzolwisa ubutabane i-Human Rights Commission iqala ezoza izokubophisa. You understand? Why? ingoba akumele kuprocreate la ekhaya. Ngicela ungikhombisa umphakathi owodwa wama illegal immigrants la eSouth Africa okade kuwumphakathi we-LGBTQI+. Ngeke uze uthole. Awukho exist. Yayizwa leyo nto. Ungitholele umphakathi wamahobo aphuma ngaphandle abhema ama drugs. Angeke uze uthole. You understand? Ungitholele umphakathi wabantu besifazane bokufika aba-abortayo mabela eSouth Africa. Angeke uze uthole. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Ungitholele abantu abama illegal foreigners abayibotho like i-community yakhona ephile ilale njengathi ilale ivuka etshwaleni. Angeke uze ubathole. Zonke lezo zinto zifunzwe thina zenziwa ukuthi zibe nesense kubantu bala ekhaya ukuze kuzokwenzeka lento ekuthiwa i-ethnic cleansing. Labantu bokufika mabefika la bona bazaliso sisi bethu and ababa-abortise. Abafazi bakhona bajoli nathi bajola nabo and babazalisa murdu. You understand? Why kudepopulatewa thina ama-natives akule country? Kuplantwa abantu abangasi bala eSouth Africa. Yayizwa leyo nto le? This is the art of war. If uyayibhekisisa kahle lento dog. I understand. I-Human Rights Commission njengamanje why ingalwisi ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners njengoba edlwengule limaze bulala la eSouth Africa. Why singaze siwabone kwi-Human Rights Commission mhlawumbe esithiphisayo ukuthi kunama-illegal foreigners agangayo lana. Never soze uyibone njalo. But once walisa into zobutabane no-abortion noma drugs yilaba zoku-attack khona. Because i-agenda ukudepopulate ama-natives ala so that bona bezongena ngelinye ilanga. That's why uzobona kunama-video online ama-Nigerians ekutshela ukuthi one day azoyiphatha eSouth Africa. Nama-Somalians ekutshela ukuthi one day azoyiphatha eSouth Africa. Because labantu sithi abaphathi bezwe njengamanje ama-puppets amasquerade as ama-leaders. You understand? Ayathengeka adayisa ngezwe lethu yabo njengamanje izwe kahle kahle selisilahlekele. Lokho esikwenzayo ukulibuyisa njengamanje and angeke libuye overnight. Sisaya kumhla ka4 November abantu abavotela ushintsho abangabi loyal to ama political party noma ama leaders angenayo interest ama masses bro. Yabo i-ethnic cleansing already iphakathi manje. Kunabantu abalingana nami nawe abazalwa ama illegal foreigners bala abakhuluma isiZulu njengami nawe. You understand? Ethnic cleansing leyo bra. Yabo namhlanje masiyilwisa lento sibabi ebantwini abaningi. Yabo because the damage vele siyenzekile. But ke sisengakulungisa. And bra alikho izwe elake lathuthukiswa ama illegal immigrants.
Never.
Nationwide globally alikho izwe elake lathuthukiswa ama illegal immigrants. You understand? Instead of ukuthi bezothuthukisa thina la abahambe beyothuthukisa amazwe abo so that nathi sokwazi ukuvakasha emazweni abo. Akuvakasheki eNigeria bra. More than half the population abantu base Nigeria bra bakakela bra kuma open spaces bro.
Active generated to man.
You understand and amanzi ndoda ukuvula impompi bra privilege to ukuthunyelwa amanzi. Ezwe lento leyo bra.
Active generated duma laphana.
Ndoda ama mass killings adapt ingane ukidnap ingane ndoda kulento abathi banditry. You understand? Ama bandit ndoda ukidnap ingane kubulawa ingane kubulawa othisha.
Isikole sonke
bra. You understand lento le? Exactly. And njengoba labantu abathi uphakela umthakathi noJacinta bayabheda. Bafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga nathi sibe exposed to lezi zinto iNigeria exposed to zona. Boko Haram.
Yo.
Ngoba njengoba kuthiwa sibe yabo mina ngizokutshela iqiniso. Abantu engingabaconsider ama foreigners mina la eSouth Africa. Yabona abantu base Lesotho. Kusamele nje sibambe meeting eserious kabi nalabantu base Lesotho. iLesotho bekumele ngabe enye yama province akule country. Bekulobe sisanganele la bezositshela ukuthi bayi country. You understand? Le nto bekumele mhlawumbe ifole i-Free State. Yabo? Kuthiwa abesuthu nje bonke. Yabo leyo nto le abantu bala ekhaya abantu. Bengazenza nje nation ebhedayo. iSwaziland. eSwatini. Balo bemise nje umsilo obhedayo lapha inkosi yabo bra. Masikhuluma iqiniso labo bantu base South Africa. iBotswana South Africa leyo. Yayizwa leyo nto le.
I-president yasibutswana umXhosa.
Yayizwa leyo nto le. It's actually something futhi ngizoya to an extent ukutshela ukuthi neNamibia
No,
Namibia, chief.
But in Namibia, but it was forcefully taken by the apartheid government.
Exactly. Ngitshela ngendawo ezazi Southern Africa like yabona bra lawo mazwe ne abantu bethu labo ndoda. Yayizwa lento le ibona abantu abangasho lapho ukuthi asiyindawo isekhaya la. Mina ngingabavumela.
Abasho
and labo futhi angeke ubezwe bekhuluma because baya understand assignment yabo leyo nto le.
Ngiyavuma ne, I agree with you 100%, but kokunye also we need to address these issues without fear of favor. Na babesuthu mfethu bafike ngokuterrorize la.
But labo sengabalungisa lapho
labo baright yabona futhi
othikutshela
labo baright abaningi balaphansi komhlaba ukuvala nje ingoba usithule impilo iqhubeka.
Exactly.
Labo baye kungabathipisi labo
bona besuthu ne ingawo ngithi mina bengifisa ukuthi akulula ukuthi uvele uyenze overnight lento Chris yabo, but bengifisa mina ukuthi mfethu ihlalelwe phansi lento ilisuthu mfethu lento ukuthi iCountry hayi kumele ibulawe
lento ukuthi abantu bethu labo bayeke lapho
mele mara you ring ivaru, we need to have a serious conversation ngawo lawo makhaya
yabo lawo ma countries lawo mfethu kumele kube khona indlela yokuthi kuhlalwe phansi kusetshenziswane ngendlela eright labo bantu mfethu abantu bakithi labo
vele la siyavuma ukuthi nabo nabo yize ezinye izinto ezidala confusion kulento le eyenza haya manje idala confusion. So vele alami yayivuma le ilisuthi nje neBotswana neso mele zikhanselwe inkosi yaseSwazini ifane
mele ihambule nje mfethu ifane exactly bra because mawungathi uyabheka nayo le kingship yakhe lapha eSwatini ulambisa isizwe lapha hluphekisa abantu
ayithiwa kuthiwa abafazana nabo kuthiwa bengagcwala lendlu
manje yona legacy leyo ndoda abantu behlupheka and ethi kumele sinikeze iking of royal Bafokeng ilokhuzana isalute isibali yabona le nkosi leyabeTswana lapha eNorthwest ake ngiyazi alikhiso ke lingenasici ne akekho umuntu operfect but yabona that guy ne yabaphilela abantu bakhe mfethu amakhosi umdabu sengifise ngazathi angaqala ebuyele kumuntu ofana nale yankosi yalapha
umuntu ole foundation ngala for me yes I agree na lento isho umuntu ole foundation right lapha uMangope
ngangifisa mfethu ukubana lalela yabona lento tribalism yasibulala la eSouth Africa kusuka kudala yabona ubaba Mangope ne ukubani kwakungasile izinto lezi zama tribe ukuthi wena umTswana wena umXhosa wena uyini ubaba Mangope ne wayenayo ichance ukubani kwakungayiwa ngobcomrade kudala wayenayo ichance ukuthi wayengastand a good chance ukuba yiSouth African president but omunye wabantu owasikhuza ngombuso wamabhantinti loyo ubaba Mangope ayizwa le nto le ezozathi yena yazini ezozethi yena yazini ngicela ukuyigcina libophutha Tswana yami nithathe South Africa yini bekuyinto eyodwa yonke le bekuyinto eyodwa yonke
yabona uqinisile yabona komuntu ukhuluma enye into edip into yokuphathwa ngamabhantinti yabona ibhantinti mfethu kunzima
uDesmond Tutu wakhuluma ngawo uMamwini wakhuluma ngawo naMangope wakhuluma ngawo
bophutha Tswana. I know bangitshelile ngeEastern Cape nabathi it's
hayo Mathanzima mfethu ngiyaxolisa ukisho lento ne not uMathanzima kuphela uqhubeke kodwa ngizosuke ngigadla athi ngiqhubeke khuluma hayi khuluma
uza right ufuna ugadla
hayi khuluma no inkinga lapha eEastern Cape mfethu ne
amasela athi maningi
Eastern Cape mfethu dala mfethu abakhona amasela out mfethu
maningi amasela
and thank God ukuthi azange igovernment ivume ukuthi Eastern Cape ibe iCountry on its own ngoba abantu base Eastern Cape ne ngabe bafana nabantu bako Lesotho kanje ngabe bafana nabantu bako Swatini xoxele abantu mfethu kudala balidaya isizwe lezi amakhosi ako Transkei lapha mfethu anifunda ihistory machitezwe bakhohlakele labantu mfethu and ayiqali manje lento le kudala othi xoxele nje ngihabilise something before sivala la Eastern Cape yayinabantu abafana noMathanzima yayinabantu kwakungena uMathanzima kuphela khona nabanye futhi ngiyamkhohla lo muntu kwakuba ibonge zazi prominent ebukhosini balaphana kube iKZN nayo yayifuna ukuba yiCountry banqaba yabo and thank God ukuthi ayenzakalanga leyo nto yabo leyo nto le nani futhi njengoba senibona futhi neCape Town nayo abelungu befuna ukuyenza iCountry yabo leyo nto le. And ngifuna ukukutshela lento bra, ngiyayi-understand i-idea behind labantu abapropose lezi zinto zokuthi lama province akabe i-country. Ngiyayi-understand clearly, yabo, but at the same time leyo idea iyo-benefita abantu abambalwa and iyowenza abantu bakuleyo province babe limited kwi-traveling. Phela i-KZN ayikho that big. Mase kuthiwa i-KZN iyi-country, mina njengoba wase-Ladysmith, i-Joburg iseduze nami, phela angikho kude kangako ne-Joburg.
It's 3 hours.
It's 3 hours drive. Should manje bese kumele ngiyeze eGoli ngoba or kumele ngibe ne-passport yokuze eGoli, ayiyenzi sense leyo nto, yabo leyo nto le. But mawuthi uyayibuka labantu ababepropose lezi zinto, ake ngikhulume nje ngabase-KZN, ngoba kwaku Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi kanye nomdlokombane babepropose leyo nto. KZN i-rich bra through ama-minerals, through ama-ports esinawo. I understand leyo nto le. I-GDP yase-KZN alone yayingenza ukuthi if it was well managed, ibingenza ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-KZN engaba set for life. Bongaphila usebenza umsebenzi odecent, uhlala endlini edecent for life, yabo. But iphethwe obani isezandleni e-wrong. I understand leyo nto le. Umhlaba weNgonyama Trust makungathiwa nje mfethu sikhuluma iqiniso, ungaphilisa abantu bakwaZulu ngendlela egrand kabi bra. I understand leyo nto, but manje ngoba abantu ba-selfish yonke into bayigcinela kuphi kubona bra. Thank God ukuthi lezidazange ziba ama-country.
But yabona i-KZN noma kuthiwa yaba i-country mfethu, phela buka nalento ama-foreign ahamba kakhulu e-KZN. I-KZN iyakhona ukuthatha i-decision and iphume naso isinqumo, izinto zenzeka. La mfethu eJozi gcwele kakhulu ama-sellout nabantu laba abafundile kancane, abanye abangamaloya yabo, laba abanyanyisayo abafunda kakhulu amaphepha. Ya labantu angathi bayafunda,
abazenzela
ayikho into enginyanyisa abantu abeza ngesikole ukuthi bona bahlakaniphile.
Umbonile lo mama lo kade sey-role model nje abaningi, lo mama lo wavela ngendaba yase-Standard Bank o-professor. Yazi uvele waphoxa mfethu lo mama mfethu esezakhele uthande kwisizwe ndoda, wavele nje wazi wayiphoxa
and wazokhalela isizwe izinto mazimhlule.
Exactly, wavele wazokhuluma ngalento wazokhuluma lento immigration and naye abona ngoba ngihlezi ngisho lento education yakule country bafethi useless and lento ngisazolo ngiyiprove. Dr. Ndlozi nimzwile ekhuluma nge-immigration, right?
Badlimali.
Julius, abantu abayibiza ngama-academics raba,
Julius futhi ufunde e-UNISA ne?
Ngambala.
Ufuna ukubonisa something, ufunde e-UNISA and angisho ukuthi uyenzile. E-UNISA uyakwazi ukubhadala umuntu ayokubhalela exam.
Ngani ngikho
not e-UNISA kuphela. Not e-UNISA kuphela.
Hayi noma kuthi ufunde.
Noma mawude kuthi ufundile, abanye abakopelanga ne, abanye bafunde straight ne. But mfethu ngifuna ukukutshela lento ne. Once waluze touch ne-reality ama-messes ne, kuyoba nzima ukuthi uphinde ukhande trust nama-messes in future. Mawunama-aspirations okuba yi-leader e-South Africa ngelinye ilanga, no matter kuthiwa ufunde kangakanani, musa ukuluza i-reality neqiniso lenzeka on the ground. Musa ukuzizela ngesilungu esiphezulu ucabanga uzizothi uhlakaniphile, because abaningi basikhulumela lesilungu kanti siphuma ukumuza umuntu okhuluma a bunch of nothing bro.
Yeah,
I understand mfethu, ithina esibulawayo, ithina esidlwengulwayo, ithina esigejengelwayo la kuma poor communities. Nina nihlale endaweni eziphakeme, sicela ukuthi nithule, yabo, nisiyeke thina mfethu, yabo le
gated community.
Nisiyeke ngoba mfethu yazi manje mfethu lento over and over le genge le ibiza ngokuthi ihlakaniphile ama-academics, uzobona bazolo beyiprove over and over again ukuthi abahlakaniphile labantu bro. Angeke ungitshela ukuthi wena ngokubhenefitha kwakho manje you think njengoba mhlambe isizini yakhe ikuvuma empilweni ugrand, whatever yenzakala kubanye abantu you don't care, yabo, kumele bazojwayela, yabo mfethu. Uyazi ukuthi abantu bala eSouth Africa bakhala ngecorruption bona ne, lesibuka kumadlanga commission ne, ubezwe bethi uGeneral Sibiya this, ubani bonke labantu laba, ubani this, ubani that, yabo leyo nto le mfethu. Asikushiye lokho kwalabantu abakuma high positions laba ababonakala kumadlanga ne, sithini ngalaba abafana nami nawe abanama position abangekho emehlweni abantu, aba abuse power, aba rape ingane zakithi,
Mfethu
I
uma uzocheck
understand.
khona unye udaba ade ngicheck le card tracker
Hey, ndoda,
uma ukhuluma nge-abusing of power. Lento le yakwi card track ukuthi kunomuntu nje omjida ofuna uku-impressa abelungu.
Intombazane.
Intombazane ya intombazane sengasho ukuthi
Intombazane.
ufuna uku-impressa abelungu kusho intombazane sorry ngapha manje
The manager
the manager umuntu osifazane naye ufuna uku-impressa abelungu ndoda umuntu akini egula umfaka emsebenzini umuntu azafela emsebenzini.
Imagine, bro.
Yeah, but Wes, njoba seyenzekile yonke lento. Apparently, I saw on social media, apparently Cartrack right now, they were threatening the employees. Bebebuza ukuthi ubani olike information salo mntwana.
Unama
Ngiyakutshela.
Hey, but this is not the time, bro, ukuthi misuse ama powers akho. Yabona manje ne le ngizoyisho nje straight. Whoever uzobebuka le episode mela ayizwe le. Yabona uma une position noma kuthiwa yipi position onayo. Akusona isikhathi soku-abuse ama powers akho lesi manje South Africa.
it's not.
No matter ungayitshela ukuthi well connected kanjani nobani, akekho umuntu ozokusave bra. Yabo? Whatever decision, whatever treatment oyibhekisa kubantu osebenza nabo bra, be careful. Siphile esikhathini se-social media manje. You understand? And bro,
Fana
akekho umuntu ongeka account in the near future for whatever yenza.
and lama politicians uzwabona ukuthi madala. Umuntu uqamba manje prove manje into yakhe ku social media. Ababona abayazi social media ukuthi phela wathi wena nakho manje uzibona politicians right badala manje abazi. Phela ikhansela la eDobsonville ina 60 bani 69. Lo mama lo mdala mama ugesu uzumbone abantu abadala balida kanjani la eDobsonville ugesu kwi section yakhe awuhambi namanzi nakuma section la anehlobo khona mara thina ngoba sikho kule section ahlobene nayo uma engekho umkhulu wakhe noma umuntu ayikhula naye thina anezukuba na gas namanzi umuntu omdala kanandaba.
Ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo lona kuwe Nkomo na kuwe Chris, like I know DA care mention lento le. Anginama ngivumela le nto ukuthi ama province aba ama country whatever. But don't you think ukuthi I country ingaba governable if say maybe njenge Gauteng so ibe ne full control yamaphoyisa wabo, kungabi South African police service, kube mhlambe Gauteng police services, kube nemithetho nani niKZN kanjalo, like izinto I think yenzeke America lento yama state ukuthi imithetho in different
states futhi sinemithetho
yaso ukuthi yawona singadecide mhlambe la eGauteng ukuthi thina sambelana lento abortion. You understand? Indenjalo ukuthi imithetho so
eGauteng mhlambe ikhona ganda lento longathi kuyaba khona ncane nje njengokuthi eKZN ubungakhona uhamba phethe can kodwa kuhamba sengiyasho into kanjalo
mara shuthi iprovince ibe nale power le ukuthi okay although sine president eone eSouth Africa but the province ibe nale power le ukuthi okay thina la eGauteng into esogijima ngayo asambelana nento
abortion in
amaphoyisa yabona into enjalo.
Yazi mina bengicabanga ukuthi kwenzakale bro. Wonke ama-arm of services ndoda kumele abantu bakwazi uku-account yabo. If uyiphoyisa and ke kwa reportwa ubugebengu kuwe wangaphakamela kumele kwawena uboshwe.
True
ngoba incompetent yabo leyo nto le kumele kubreedwe iculture ye-accountability manje. Lento ekhulumayo ngibhekana nayo 100% kazi lami because esikhathini esiningi thina South Africa sithi siphila under democracy right and sikopela from ama western powers right. Mfethu tshela mina since sabantu ababukela kwi-England ne-United States kangaka sicontrol nayibona sicolonize uyibona. Njengoba sinenkinga yama drugs kanje kule country why singenayo i-DEA agency? Angithi America banayo specifically i-drug enforcement agency. You understand? Kufike kube namaphoyisa ase-USA ne bese kuba ne-drug enforcement agency, kube khona o-CIA, kube khona o-FBI, yabo leyo nto leyo. And lawo ma-entities, each and every entity zama ukuyiprove ukuthi i-best okudlula enye when it comes to execute ispan. yabo leyo nto le la South Africa sinayo ientity compete ne-SAPS ekuthenini kube nejustice ezweni yabo leyo nto le okusondelayo okuzamayo ukuza kuleso scale kungaba i-private security. I understand ngaba i-private security yabo leyo nto le nakhona kodwa kudliwa imali yibo labo ma-extortion labo babonayo and all that yabo, but mina bengingakufisa ne kulento kade uyisho Ganda ukuthi how come kungabi namaphoyisa estate ngokuhlukana. Mina bengifisa ukuthi yabona mayesakhula izingane each and every province ne mayesakhula izingane zifundiswe nangayo into ye-policing bra.
Izinto nje lezi
izinto nje ezama-basic ephilisayo kwe-country i-constitution bekumele ifundwe from esikoleni.
Yes, ukuthi mawuqeda high school usaya kwesinye isikole futhi mhlawumbe usekunama-practical usuyasebenza to the stipend, but nje kube ukuthi uma uphuma la kusamele uyofundela ukuba inesi mhlawumbe ukhethe ifunde eziwu-2 politician nokuba iphoyisa uyahamba uyokwenza lawo makhosi lawo to the stipend.
Yabo leyo nto le
no ayibafika isikhathi
seshayile mara ifuna lokuthini siyababona abantu uzibuza ukuthi hey umuntu ungene kanjani esiphoyiseni angaka wona so mina ngazi umuntu obeka ne-case emurder who ended up being a traffic cop.
Yeah, I understand.
I-case emurder.
Exactly.
Khona banamathathu kodwa thina kwathi wasifuneki.
No, ithathu ayisinkinga nami nginayo ithathu ayisinkinga.
Emfethu thina sifuneki mina ngaluze emaphoyiseni ngamathathu unkomonde. Yabona
kodwa
ukuthi wakho ashone nje kade exova udaka.
Kodwa Chris angingakhulumi kanjalo mina mhlambe ngiyolahlekisa abaningi mina ngaba namathathu sengineminyaka sengise-army vele.
Yeah, thina mina ngangiyongena uqinisile mina ngangiyongena.
Mhlambe mawusangena kungaba i-problem.
Ngigijimeni weganda. Sengiqedile ukugijima ngwenile.
Traffic cop ngagijima.
Ngiyakhumbula naye wabuya ukhathele ukufa lapha. Yazi mfethu another thing ngicabanga ukuthi inangizana yabona amapanyasa ayosebenza home affairs amasotsha ahlala ngomakoti nihlala yabona asifanele ishow madoda ukomanda umathanenza akukujwa bakho hey yabona amasotsha kwathi mina ngathi ayikho uma kuzoba khona usekhaya nandomane ebaba phawile la uniform ngathi ayikho into amasotsha abakhona Ganda.
Usho kanjani?
Awubona ngeCovid akhahlela abantu la lokushini
amasotsha mfethu wayengezi yazi mina ngibona kanjani mfethu amasotsha azwakale mfethu azospansana namahada. Because yini into nihlelele kumakhe
ngathi kutshele something ngendaba yamasosha ne.
Yeah,
amasosha bro i-SANDF is the last line of defense kwi-country ne.
Yeah,
ngakayisho lento before ngathi lonke isosha lingene through i-military training okuyi-MSD training liyafundiswa i-combat, ya understand, physical training linayo yabo, bese kuwe ukuhlukana kwama-masterings abantu yabo leyo nto leyo. Bakhona abahlezi be-ready belinde i-combat yabo, khona ama-unit specifically nationwide ahleze e-combat ready. Uzothola kunama-paratroopers, uzothola kunama-special forces, uzothola kunama-pathfinders.
Engayitraina izosebenzana namaphoyisa ithathwe lapha because I think nithola a proper training as amasotsha. Why ningezi ukuthi kube khona nje basebenzana namaphoyisa ukuthi ngakhona ukuvula kune-police station amasotsha lapha ngovula i-case yabo.
Lokho sekungaba ukukhulumisana kwama-ministers noma kwa-government as a whole, but njengikusho mina ukuthi amasosha umsebenzi wawo akusiyo ukuletha udlame kubantu. Amasosha, I think the initial job yamasosha kwi-situation ye-violence and stuff, i-peacekeeping mission, ukudictator ukuthi indawo ibe ne-peace at all cost, ya understand. Ungathini ukuthi indawo ibe governable, yayibona leyo nto le. Masizothatha amasosha swafaka njengoba kwakuthiwa nge-30 June amasosha azobe ekhishiwe, kahle kahle uzobe udeclare impi nama-citizens mawenza leyo nto, yabo leyo nto leyo. Ukhumbule futhi amasosha bra wami yibo sisi bethu nobhuti bethu abaney'ngane ey'bulawa ama-drugs, abanemindeni ebulawa ama-drugs, abama-victim o-crime, oma-murders, zonke lezi zinto lezi esikhala ngazo nathi, yabo leyo nto leyo. So angiboni ukuthi ngawumqondo omuhle ukuthi amasosha ezolwisana nama-citizen. Into efunakalayo bra wami, amaphoyisa ewodwa engakwazi ukuyithekila lento ngani na akuqashwe i-youth le unemployed ndoda before ingane zakithi ziphenduka ama-junkie, before ziphenduka ama-alcoholics, before ziba nama-criminal offenses, ziba yibosho, akuqashwe iy'ngane kube mandatory ukuthi iy'ngane zifakwe kuma-arm of services, kuqiniswe i-security cluster. Lalela, akukwazi ukuthi kwi-country nabantu abawu-68 plus million bra. I-security cluster, i-SAPS, kuba abantu aba-around 200,000. Leyo nto i-disgrace yenamba ndoda. How bekunganjani ukuthi at least to i-South African Police Services abantu abawu-2 million or 2.5 million kwi-country. Lapho whether you like it or not, i-discipline ibizo instileka. Kuthiwa mhlawumbe amasosha abantu mhlawumbe abawu-2 million kwi-country. Phela njengamanje i-army, I can tell you bra, angikhulumi because i-army for the most part it consists of ama-reserve force members, abantu abangasiya ama-regular force members. You understand? Ama-regular force members e-army, I doubt nokuthi ayafika ku-150,000 nationwide or 200,000. I doubt. You understand leyo nto le? So kahle i-disgrace enkulu bra ilethwa ama-politicians ngokuphendula ama-arm of services ukuthi kuba ama-Mickey Mouse bro. You understand? So that bezokwazi ukuyidalela beluthe la ma-million abawaluthayo bazi ukuthi angeke beze be-account. Yabo leyo nto le, bathatha ama-top officials bawafake ekhwameni thinking ukuthi ayikho into eyokuyenzeka kubo. Sengiphuma yabona uJulius Malema mfethu ngiyakutshela uyigubhela ithuna ngiyakwazi ukuphuma kulona. uJulius Malema uyakhohlwa ukuthi njengoba ejikela ama-citizen namhlanje ethi asamukele abantu esingabazi nokuthi bawobani ezweni lethu, u-affiliated nabantu lo muntu mfethu abanama-characters are-questionable bra, from u-Adriano Mazzotti. Ya understand leyo nto le, manje sekuwo Khan nomswazi. Ya understand? So manje the way
umswazi lo shoni
ilo washona his late
khona shaya ikhara
ekuthiwa wayemhlonipha.
Exactly.
Kuthiwa imfone thena Julius alithi ibhodle ekuthiwa
uma iceboy ngithi mfethu ama-politician
ekuthiwa wayemhlonipha.
ile nto eshiwo uzungulaka ukuthi bafike beba ama-iceboy behind the camera ne, then mase befika phambi kwecamera kanje sekuwabantu angathi manje banesibindi nani. Efethu iSouth Africa ayidingi yonke lento ekhona lapha kwicabinet. iSouth Africa idinga i-change, a breath of fresh air bra. You understand? Sidinga aba-leaders abasha abazomela izwe, abangamelanga i-interest yabo nama-masters abo lapha. Nganza kwethu ukwanda kwaliwa umthakathi asibalekeni manje.
ayishileti yokugcina ngicela upanyaza athatha amapanyaza awatrain ukugibela amahashi, bahambe ngamahashi laba patrol Gauteng.
And enye into mfethu yazi abantu abanjengoGrootman Panyaza ne, abantu abanjengoGrootman Panyaza, it's unfortunate ukuthi bakuma-political parties are wrong. Le mjita ne, again ngizosho alikho isoko elingenasici ne, but ebra through ama-actions nama-innovations akhe la mjita uyayibona inhliziyo yakhe bra. You understand? Ipower ngenayo enough uPanyaza bro. That guy is for the people bra. Yabona makungathi uPanyaza mhlawumbe uyasuka kuleya political party, angene kwi-political party efisa ukubona ukwenza ushintsho ezweni, engacontribute into positive lo Grootman. And that guy ngiyakutshela mina unayo i-potential ukuthi engaba i-future president yale country. It's just that surrounded by
Bad apples.
i-energy wrong man. Dark energy.
La khona manje ngeke bavuma ukuthi abo president.
Hayi akashintsha ukwenza na.